Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state that nearly 14 billion years ago expansion started. Wait, the earth began to cool, the autotrophs began to drool, Neanderthals developed tools, we built a wall. We built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang.
Oh my god. Yeah, whoa. Good god. Whoa.
What are you guys doing? I'm trying to study for chemistry and society. I walked past the hall and all I heard was some loud beats. What's up?
Oh, you know, just listening to some music and watching some cornstarch and water dance to the beat. Come check it out.
Alright. Wow, where did you guys get that idea from?
Well, the whole experiment started and originated by the science teacher Steve Spangler. He demonstrated it on his TV segment called Spangler Science TV back in 2006.
Earlier today, we were watching The Big Bang Theory, and during the episode, Sheldon, Leonard, Raj, and Howard were watching what looked like goo bust a move on the speaker. So we thought we would try it.
I have the episode pulled up. Do you want to see it?
Heck yeah.
We're all set. Let her rip.
Hey, check it out. It's just cornstarch and water.
They make up a non-Newtonian fluid, which is liquid, but solid under the percussive action of the speaker.
That's what makes it get all funky.
I guess I understand where you guys got that enthusiasm from. But wait, why does it look like a liquid now, compared to just a second ago? It was flopping around like a solid.
Well, you see, Josh, the cornstarch and water undergo something called suspension. It's when a mixture of two substances, one of which is finely divided and dispersed in the other.
The cornstarch water mixture, like quicksand, are both examples of non-Newtonian fluids.
A non-Newtonian, which was named after Sir Isaac Newton, is when the viscosity changes when stress or a force is applied, but not when heat is applied, which people think really happens. So it becomes a non-Newtonian fluid when the cornstarch, a thickening agent derived from corn, is combined with water.
Now that I understand how the mixture goes from a liquid to a solid state, how did you guys even make it?
Well, first we mix a quarter cup of cornstarch with half a cup of water in a bowl. The mixture will become difficult to stir given its properties.
If you wanted to try this at home, the tip is to break up any clumps with your fingers until it's a syrup-like texture.
And before you interrupted our jam session, we tested all the cool things you can do with this mixture.
Oh yeah? Whatever. What else could you possibly do with this?
A lot. Let's check it out.
As you can see, the mixture of cornstarch and water break all the rules of chemistry. This non-Newtonian mixture solidifies when Paige picks up some of the mixture, but when she releases it, it goes back to a liquid form. All non-Newtonian fluids don't act the same as this oobleck, as Dr. Seuss would call it. Right now, you can clearly tell that the mixture in the bowl is in a liquid form. However, when Paige uses her fist to punch the mixture, the force that was applied turns the mixture into a solid state. Paige's fingers imitate a person walking on quicksand. If her fingers in this situation are pitter-pattering fast enough, they will not sink. If they slow down, they immediately become trapped and hard to pull out. In a real-life situation, if someone were to be in quicksand, the best option is to quickly move your feet to refrain from being sucked in. Here you can see that when the mixture is poured from the bowl, it looks like a gooey salad, but when it makes contact with the plate, it turns into a liquid. The liquid state mixture is grabbed and squeezed in Paige's hand. The cornstarch and water immediately turn into a solid state when that much force is applied. As she opens her hand, it melts. Many think this is because of heat, but it is really because of the exposure to pressure. Even when on a plate, the initial punch splashes some oobleck, but the punches that follow have a much greater force, and then the fist comes up clean. If you thought all of those things were cool, we have one more surprise for you.
So, What's your favorite song?
Oh, I got you guys. Panda by Designer.
Ooh, I got that song.
I got broads in Atlanta, just a in the family, credit cards in the scammers, ain't no in the van, legacy, family, legacy, look like a panda, going out like a Montana, money on the hands, legacy, family, legacy, family, pocket smoke, Danny, selling ball.
Wow, I'm speechless.